I think so, yes. So we try obviously to attack today and have a good race.
Okay, so I have a question for you coming directly from our guest. When you are driving during the race, are you able to see and hear people cheering from you from the distance?
See, yes. Here, not so much because, yeah, obviously we have the engine right behind us, wearing the helmet, so plus the earplugs, so we can hear the engine, but usually not so much the crowd.
Yeah.
When the crowd is really, really loud, then yeah.
Yeah, they were quite surprised because of the concentration you have driving, that a driver is able even to see something different apart from the track. This is amazing.
Yeah, I guess it's, you know, we're not driving for the first time. Obviously, we've been doing this many years, and you get used to it. And also it's important to look out for different sort of things, and some things are more important, others are less important. But for sure you can see when the crowd is standing up, going crazy, or come to the TV screens, sometimes to follow the race. But yes, the main focus is on the road for sure.
But you can be 100% sure all of us will be cheering in the afternoon, in a few hours. Am I right?
Yes.
Good. So you know, we know you are very busy. So as always, lucky draw. Let's see who's the lucky one today.